Hey there, welcome to Jersey Jim Fishmonger Jim here. So today I am going to Hammonton Lake, South Jersey. I fished it when I was a teenager for trout. I assume it's still being stocked, but actually that's not why I'm going there. I believe there are chain pickerel there. I really love catching pickerel, so give that a whirl this morning, and maybe stop at Dylan's on the way home. So it should be a great day. Stay tuned. See you on the water. Oh, here you go. I'm all set up and I'm ready to walk across. Got my waders on, and I see this sign over here: no trespassing, no fishing. Fuck me. I don't need to be harassed today and curb stomped by the po-po when they get called for me launching here. So I get on Google Maps and find another place to fish this morning. So I was mistaken. This is Hammonton Lake, and there's a park here. So we're gonna launch from the park instead of from the no trespassing, no fishing area up there. I am thankful for Google Maps. I would have been fucking off to a different spot to fish. I want to check this out. I want to catch me a chain pickerel. Oh my god. It's a bass. This is like the 4th blow up I've had, and it's only been probably 20 minutes. Been fishing 20 minutes. That's awesome. That is awesome. I like it. On the topwater. I love the topwater. My first Hammonton Lake bass. This is fun. I'm glad Google Maps brought me here. Sweet. This is a really fishy lake. Look at this. It's beautiful. See you, buddy. Nice. There's a possibility of catching a large fish today. I mean, a large bass. I'd rather catch a pickerel, but I'll take it. I'll take it. This is amazing. I didn't expect this. Oh, there's a take. There we go. Unbelievable. Yo, this is alright. Bass fishing ain't so bad. Oh, and it's a pickerel.
Boom!
Oh, he's gonna wreck my frog. Check that out. Oh, that's freaking awesome. That is awesome. I love the pickerel. Wow. A nasty predator, this fish. I didn't even have him hooked. It's just a string through his, come on, don't. I'm still counting it even though I didn't hook it. There he is. Mr. Pickle. Boom.
Boom! I'm a pickle!
It's a pickerel. It's a fine eating fish there too. A little bony. Didn't know how to cut him. Oh, that's awesome. I love Hammonton Lake. Definitely will be back here. Even if I don't catch anything else today. I'm gonna have to tie up again if that happens a whole lot more. Should put one of my cheap frogs on. Alright, see if we can do that again. And another. You know, if this looks like fun, it's because it is. Wasn't that long ago, I was watching somebody, Sea Money Fishing and Romo, Elias. I was watching them as I was laid up. 12, 15 years ago, I was close to 300 pounds in a motorized wheelchair with crippling arthritis. Oh, he's got a bite mark right here. Possibly a bite mark. Yeah, maybe not. Beauty. yeah, close to 300 pounds watching this shit on YouTube. And I thought to myself, wow, that looks like that would be the life. And through a long turn of events, I made that a reality. And now I am doing this, bringing this footage to you. And if you're watching this, I appreciate it. And I hope this motivates you to get off the couch. You too can do this. If a mere fishmonger can be here doing this, a fishmonger with crippling arthritis can do this, you too can. You can too. It's really an enjoyable experience. Truly amazing experience. I'm grateful for the opportunity. Nicer fish. Oh shit. Oh, he was decent. That was awesome. Ah, damn it, Jim.
Damn it, Jim, what the hell's the matter with
you?
you?
Had him.
He got sold.
Yeah, we'll never know now. Never know. Pretty respectable turtle population here at Hammonton Lake. Big ones too. They're painted turtles? I don't know. Some kind of turtles. This is a beautiful place. Lots of structure to fish. There's actually a beaver dam up here. I'll show you when I get there. Beaver dam. Oh, I got a nice hit here earlier. Big blow up. And then I failed. Pickerel here.
Boom!
Target
I'm a pickle.
species. And they're stacked up in here too. It's awesome. Hell yeah. That's awesome. This lake is, I'm very impressed with this lake. If I can catch fish here, you know it's something special. Oh yeah, so I'm using a weightless rage craw. Just moving it around. It's real shallow here. A lot of big bass beds too. Hey, see that? Lots of cedar stumps, very scenic. I know I said that probably a dozen times already, but oh, nice lake. There we go. That's nice. I love catching pickerel, man. Something about I fished for pickerel when I was a kid. Like my mom would drop me off at this lake, probably 15 miles from my house when I was probably 10. We'd go to a tackle shop, get some minnows, and she'd drop me off for the day. And man, did I have a good time. A little larger than that one, but awesome looking fish. Look at the colors in it. All the greens and patterning. Beautiful. That's more like it. That's more like it. I had enough of the bass fishing. Yeah, I just got this worm hook on it. I'm gonna bury that tip of the hook in the plastic. Pull it through the weeds, and that happens. Damn it. It fights a lot better than those little pickerel. I'll give it that. Not my cup of tea, but live action. What a beautiful day today. Like, really amazing. This lake is something else. Definitely be back here. Invest a lot of time at this other lake, and it's the Snakehead Lake. It's very, very difficult to fish. Like, spent all last year trying to figure it out, and I think last 2 times I've been there, I've been skunked. This, you know, like you train on the most difficult of situations, and then you get to some place that's just pristine, like this place, where traditional techniques seem to get results. And you get results. Like, this is what happened today. Results. Fun results. Oh yeah, about that, about the fun. You know, this looks like fun. It is. When I when I started this channel, I had absolutely no computer skills. Like, I had sent maybe 10 emails in my entire life, and then I started this channel. My first movie, I recorded it on my my Samsung, and it took me, it's a 2.5 minute movie, I think, roughly. It took me probably 4 hours to figure out how to do it. And I'll put a card to that movie up here. You know, when this one's over, you can check it out. It's a horrible movie, but you got to start somewhere, right? And that's where I started, and here's where I am today. It's been a hell of a journey. I'm like so grateful I can share it. There's a squirrel up there. I gotta get back at it. All right, I think this fish is. This is gonna be it. This wind is just too much for my knees. I cannot contend with it any longer. Go back to the barn. I think we're gonna stop by Dylan's on the way home. I think it's about 12 o'clock right now. I feel really bad now. That's the same fish I caught earlier that I said it had a bite mark on the one side. I did. I caught him earlier, and I just took his eye. Fuck, do I feel bad. I should have left. Good God. Yeah, that's it. Now I'm all bummed out. What a great day, but... Phew. I gotta turn around somehow. Oh, fuck. Yeah, this is too much. I caught that fish probably in the same spot, too. Because I was down this way when I caught him earlier. I was kind of hoping that was a... another pickerel. A chain pickerel. So, Buddy at Hammonton Lake was telling me about this lake. It's closer to home, and it is a massive lake. It's an old quarry, I think he said. Apparently there's a trail. I was just talking to this young lady here. Apparently there's a trail that goes all the way around it. So, yeah, maybe pick Dylan up and go for a hike around the lake. That's awesome. Thank you very much, Leanne. Have a good day. Hi, bud.
Trying to do something. Oh my God.
Hi, jeez. Who's here? Wait. Bud? Hi. Well, you gonna go for a ride in the Jeep today? You wanna go for a swim? You wanna go swimming? So let's go to the lake. Let's get my back for a bit.
You missed the stick, buddy.
I think it sank.
Oh, did it?
Yeah. Come on back, Jigs. Come on
Jigs,
back.
come here.
Come on. Back here, bud. That thing's waterproof, right?
Jigs.
Come on, bud. This way. This
Come
way. Huh?
He's like, where did it go?
This way, buddy. Good boy.
Big head.
Yeah. Good boy, Jigs. How was that? How was that, buddy? How was that? Hey, yeah, I'm nervous. Good. Oh, we got to do that again. He's gonna get the hang of jumping off, like clear off. That's gonna be neat.
Jigs, grab the middle, idiot.
Still doing that little half step into it, yeah. That's creative, Jigs. That dog's on crack, still. Look, you can tell he's got a pipe. All right, let's get one. This is a pretty special place. I like it, all the swamp.
God game spider web.
Is there? You want me to go first?
Yeah, please.
I'll go first.
I'm not afraid of spiders anymore, but I still
Probably,
like
you
them.
can let him off.
Yeah, I am. Jigs, wait.
Hold
wait,
on.
wait.
Go ahead, buddy.
I'll take it.
Yeah. Yeah, this is awesome. Go ahead, bud. A lot of cedar trees. Wow. Wait. Hey, look at this. Dude, we should come back here and go camping at on Father's Day.
Probably could, yeah.
Yeah, why not? There's a lake there. We can bring the paddleboard and the kayak down, and the kayak can sink because it's still going to be leaking.
I think we should go find an island and just paddle out to it. Camp on an island. I think that seems like a lot of fun.
Think about it here, though. I mean, there's plenty of tree carcasses. You could make a fire real easy.
Jigs, don't go too far ahead.
Okay, buddy. Yeah, look at this, man. This is awesome. I'm so glad. Oh, this is all swamp up here. It's a good thing I have my good shoes on, though. I was gonna wear the stinky ones too. I probably should have, huh?
Probably.
Oh, no, you can break these in. You gotta break them in sooner or later, right? Yeah, this is kind of prehistoric looking, isn't it?
Yeah.
Man, I don't have a whole lot of... Oh, frog.
I wonder what that was.
Yeah, the frog just jumped in there. Wait.
Jigs, wait.
Wow, look at that.
That's beautiful.
Oh, there's fiddleheads, though. These are edible. You'll take some home, cook them up tonight?
I don't necessarily want to try them.
No, I don't either. They look kind of furry.
Yeah.
Hey, look at it all. I don't have a whole lot of charge on my battery. Dude, look at the canopy. Look at that.
I know, it's beautiful here.
Very cool. What do you think, Jigs?
Jigs, come here.
I think, did the path end?
No.
What was that? Jigs is, you're mental, Jigs. You know that, right, buddy? You know you're mental? That was good, though. You were playing so well, and that's why I started it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Jigs, are you very tired? But hungry? There's birds on your front lawn, Jigs. Where's the birds? Where's the birds? Surfing bird. What's the word, Bill? Let's see.
Multiculturalism.
Multiculturalism? What do you think, Jigs?
Alright,
Hey,
I gotta
Paul.
try to put this in the mold.
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's see if you can do it with the camera. Go ahead, do it. You just did it beautifully. Come on.
I get scared.
Without looking at it?
Yeah, you just did it for the last 2 minutes. Sorry, Jigs, I didn't mean to get in your way there, buddy. Alright, I gotta go move my horde from your shit to my Jeep window. Oh. Great. Come here. Dell. Hey, come in. It's dark up here. It's, you would complain it's warm outside, Dill. Really? Yeah. Give me your paw. I gotta go. Give me your paw, buddy. Give me your paw. See you, Jigs. Alright, give me a call later if you want to do something.
Alright, love you, Steve.
Love you, Steve. I gotta go fix my kayak for the 5th time. Oh my god, I think I might have actually just fixed it. I spent an hour and a half. I actually filled the hole up with water and I looked at where the leaks were coming through. One of the problems is, you know, when you heat up wood, it produces carbon, which is all this black stuff there. It creates like channels for the liquid to get through. Would have been way more intelligent to use like steel or a piece of metal, or yeah, a piece of metal. But I think it's fixed. I think that's it. This is the day after yesterday, or tomorrow, by the way. And I mean, I really don't want to have to end this day with a beer, because I got grand plans for tomorrow. We're gonna go test this out somewhere. Hell yeah, I finally fixed it. Thank you all for watching. Go fuck your hat. Bye.